be giving you the first kiss dance choreography, and as always I'll be just showing you the steps of this choreography. If you want to compare them on music, the link is given above and also in the description box. So let's begin. So we start with our choreography with our position 1. We take your left leg out and take your hand this way, pull and neck. 5, 6, 7, go pull, neck, leg twist inside with your hand holding to your right shoulder, then to your left shoulder. With that, you twist your leg first inside, then outside. Again, from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, neck, twist, twist. Keep your leg joined and hands up and keep your right leg out. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, neck, twist, twist, up, down. When you finish here, you take your left leg behind and do left, right. You don't have to literally join, you can be in your convenient place. You finished here, you first roll your left shoulder, then right shoulder. With that, your footwork will go left to right, right to left. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, neck, twist, twist, up, down, left, right, right, left. When you finished this step, you have to do quick with the next step. You finished this and go tap, tap inside. Like you are calling someone inside, this way. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tap your right leg, tap, tap, in, left leg, tap, tap, in. Again, we'll revise it from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, neck, twist, twist, up, down, left, right, right, left, and hit, hit, in, hit, hit, in, then. When you finish this, you have to go behind, keep your right leg out, drop, and up. Again, you finished tap, tap, in, tap, tap, in, down, up, and side. Like you are keeping your left hand and above that right hand to your left pelvis. You finished 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now you will walk 2 times forward and you will go hit, hit downwards. Right leg, left leg. That's it. You have to walk 2 times. Again, from the start, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, walk, walk. When you finish this, you have to tap your right leg and take a jump to your right. 1, left, right. Again, you finished 1, 2, tap your right leg, jump on your left leg, and again tap to your right. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and hit, hit. When you tap your right leg and in the end, you have to hit your hands to your right side. That is hit, hit 2 times. Hit, hit. And at the last, you will just hit your pelvis to your right side. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go tap, tap, in, tap, tap, in, down and down, step, step, beat, step, step. Same you have to do with your left side, left, right, left, left. Easy. Again, keep your left leg forward, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, hit, hit, 2, hit, hit. When you finish this step, you have to tap your heel forward, left heel, then right, then left, then right. You have to do it 4 times. But with that, your handwork will go push, up, come, come. Like first open hands, then inside hands, and then 1, 2. Again, like you are calling someone inside. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your elbows up when you're doing this. And step, step. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and shake, shake, 2 and shake, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you finish this step, you have to slide to your left and you take your hands to your right. From left to right. And slide, turn and hit, hit. You have to hit your left shoulder and go on your toes. Hit, hit. Same you will do with your right side. Keep your hands on your right side and go side, turn, step, step. Now this time your right shoulder will go up. 1, 2. Again from the jump, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and step, step, 2 and step, step. Hit, inside and 1. Hit, hit, 2. Hit, hit. Then when you finish here, there will be a floor step. Like you will be doing steps while sitting down. You finish hit, hit. And you go down and bounce 2 times. That is 1, 2. That's it. You finished 1, hit, hit, 5, 6, 7. Go, bounce, bounce. You keep your hands forward, bounce, bounce. Go, cross and open. Easy? So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. When you finish this side, you keep your left leg forward. Slide to your left side, again finish here, keep your right leg, slide to your right and place. Easy, that's a very easy step, you can do it anytime. You finished 1, step, step, 2, step, step, bounce, 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 cross, open, side, place, side, place. When you finish this, you have to bounce again, step. With that, you take your right leg to left side. That is up and step. You keep your both hands down and come to your right leg and you have to take a wave. Go first down and step. You finish your left leg up and your hands will be this way. After this, you have to take your right leg up, left leg up, keep your hand this way, turn and you will finish your right leg up. Then with your left hand you will get up this way and straight. Easy? When you finish here, you have to do a reverse tapping. You can say reverse tap or reverse cycling step also. That is, you take your right leg behind and left leg behind. But twist will be when you are taking right leg behind, your left leg will slide forward. 1. Same we'll do with the other leg, that is 2. Easy? We just have to do this step twice. That is right, left, and when you finish this step, you have to go again to your original place. That is 1, 2, 3. Again, here we finished our first part. Let's revise it from the start till here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, twist, twist, up, down, left, right, right, left, 1 and in, 2 and in, down and twist, step, step, jump and hit, hit, jump and hit, hit, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, then side, hit, hit, side, hit, hit. After this, you have to do the floor step. So you go hit, hit, bounce, bounce, cross, step, left side, hold, right side, hold, hand side, up, wave, right, left, turn and get up, hold, right, left, go to your place, place, place. Here we finished with our first part. Let's start with the second part from here. We finished 1, 2. From here the partner work is from here we'll begin our partner work. You finished over here, go to your right side and step. You just get a roll, elbow roll and come inside. When you do this step, your right pelvis will go right side. You finished 1, 2, your hand will come here and shoulder, shoulder. Again 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, hit, hit. Then I'll go to my left side. If you're doing with a partner, your partner will go to your right side. You finished here, 1, 2, you have to pull with your left leg and push with your right leg forward. You see? Again from the partner work step, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You finished over here and again you come to a line and your handwork will go this. You just have to take a circle and come to your place, 1 and 2. Easy? Again we'll revise it, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You finished here, come to position 1 after this step. Then you go to your left side, take a wave and twist your right leg, come up and take a wave. Again we'll revise it, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we finished 4, you just have to walk twice to your right side, left leg first, right leg, then you go back, tap, tap. Easy? 5, 6, we finished here, twist, step, up, wave, walk, walk. Again we have to take 2 steps behind, first right leg. When we'll tap left leg, then you have to do this step, okay? That is 1, 2. And when you finish this, just go down. You finished tap, tap and your left shoulder become forward. Easy? Again we'll revise it from here. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push, 7 and 8, wave, twist, up, wave, walk, walk, right, tap, tap and come forward. When you finish this, you again have to go to your right side and your left shoulder will go behind, left, right, left. So there's some lyrics called U. You have to make U with your hand. This way. Again, you finished here, 5, 6, 7, go left, right, left, bend your right knee and bend your left knee. Easy? Again, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Keep your hand down, bounce to your left side, bounce, bounce, hit. You have to hit with your pelvis, hit behind and again turn, point. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. When you come inside, you have to point forward. Easy? When you finish over here, your hand will come up and you just have to tap. Your handwork changes all time, okay? First you have to fold your hands, then open your hands, then down. You have to twist 3 times. 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump on your place. Again, we finished our bounce, bounce, hit and a turn, point. Hand will come here. 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, when you finish here, you just have to travel backside 2 times, right, left, Again, so there are 4 taps, right leg, left leg, and 2 taps we are doing fast, that is right leg. When you will do this, you just have to roll your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, go right, left, roll, roll, and take a neck. You just have to go forward and back. Take a chin forward, 1, 2. Again, we'll revise it from the partner walk. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Forward, twist and step, right, left, bounce, bounce, hit and return. Point, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go behind, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After this, our main signature step will begin from here. When you finish 1 and 2, you twist your legs to your left side twice, that is twist and twist. Your handwork will go down and up, down. Okay, thump, 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 thump. So this is this 1 and 2 and. When you finish here, your left hand is behind this way and your right hand is up to your head. Then after this, you take your left hand down, take a wave to your right, and second hand to your left. Again, we finished 1, 2, and your right hand comes this way, your left hand comes this way. Again, 1, 2, and right, left. First you will join your legs, then second time you don't have to join your legs, that is 1, 2. That's it. You finished here, your hand will finish here. Easy. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, and side, side, and when you finish here, you just have to hit your neck portion forward and your shoulder portion forward twice. Easy. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you are doing this, you just have to lift forward, lift forward. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your hands will go sideways and you just have to take a roll with your pelvis. That is roll, roll twice. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you finish your roll, your left leg comes in, your hands will go down to your knees. Then take a right side wave, take a left. You have to do this 4 times. Right, left, your hand will come this, right, left. So the pelvis part you have to do it 4 times. 5, we'll do it from here again. 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, and side, side, forward, forward, roll, roll, right, left, left. And I change my place with my partner. You can do it on your place only. You just have to take 2 taps. When you finish this, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step. Keep your right leg behind and your main legs will go first kiss. That is 1 and 2. So you have to bounce left side first, then to your right side. With that, your hand will go 1 and 2. That is 1 and 2. Again, we'll revise our fully signature steps from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, when we finished our step here, you finished our second part. So our third part will begin from here, that is our wrap portion. Easy? So we finished 1, 2. With that, after this, your handwork will go roll and step, which we did before while taking a circle, but now we don't have to take a circle. Just we are doing is handwork, Your left hand comes from in, your right hand goes from out, and left hand straight, right hand will go down. With that, your footwork goes right, left, right. Like you are taking a step forward, but you will take a step behind first, then forward, forward. 3 steps, right, left, right. With that, you have to do handwork. This one, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. Twist, and when you twist, your elbow comes up and your knee comes inside. 1 and 2, 3, and then you have to take a circle with jump twice. We have to jump twice. Twist and jump to your right side. Easy? Again, we'll revise the wrap portion from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and twist and jump to your right. Then you have to lift your leg. Right leg first, right leg, left leg. After this, your left leg will go down and you have to finish here. Easy? So it is right, left, step. Jump on your left leg, your right leg will lift. Easy? We'll do it again from the wrap portion. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and jump, right, left, step. You finish here, you have to tap and jump. So you finished, jump, right, left, and tap, forward, and step. You go 1, 2, step. Your handwork will go first forward, then you fold and you join to your left side. So it goes 1 to your left side, inside and step, and 1. You keep your right hand stiff and step 1 and 2. You have to twist your legs, right leg first, left leg second. So it goes 1, 2. You have to just move your fingers. We'll revise our wrap portion again. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and jump, right, left, step. 1 and step, hold, wave, down. You finished 1, 2. Keep your right down and step. Again, 1 and jump down. Again, you finished this. Wave. Take your right, left inside, right inside. Jump on your left leg and in. After this, you have to tap your legs, right, left. Easy. You have to take 3 tappings. That is right, left, jump. Again, you finish here. 1, 2, left, right, jump, in, tap, and you just have to twist and take both knees inside, in and jump, like you are holding a phone, but you have to hold it this way, okay? Usually we hold this way, you have to hold this way, ulta. Again, so this one, 5, 6, 7, go 1, twist, jump, step, hit, up, 1 and 2 and side, left, right, up, in, wave, and in, and twist, sorry. You don't have to finish the step, that is 1, 2, when you finish this, your left leg will come inside, 1 and 2. You have to go down, 1 and 2. With that, right, left, right. So we finished a half portion of our wrap. We finished our second part of the wrap. This was the first part of wrap portion. Easy? So we revise it from here and we'll continue the second part. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, twist, jump, right, left, twist, and 1 and 2 and wave, wave, twist and jump and step, step and in 1, 2, 3, 4. When you finish this step, you have to push with your both hands this way and go behind, right, left, just twice. 5, 6, 7, go right, left, twist and roll, roll, wave, wave. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and twist, twist, roll, behind, wave, wave. When you finish this, you have to jump on your left leg and take your right leg up. Wave, wave, up and down. Right hand, left hand, hit, hit. You have to hit inside twice. Again, from this 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and wave, wave. 1, hold, right, left, in. Then you have to join your right leg to your left side, turn and keep your hands this way and you just have to up, down. You have to take your pelvis upside, then you have to hit behind. Okay, you finished. Again we revise it from here. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and twist, twist, roll, roll, wave, wave, jump, step, right, left, hit, hit, in and step. When you finish this, take your left leg behind, turn and do shake, shake with your right hand. Then after this you have to place your right leg and take a wave, wave. And when you finish this, there is again a partner work. Like my partner is throwing, we are showing cricket, some of comedy movements. My partner throws the ball and I am doing step and look. After this, when you finish this, your right leg comes inside, you have to roll, roll to your left side. When you roll your hand, you have to open your legs, roll, roll, up, your natural hands and step. Sorry, you don't have to put hands, you have to go down. Again, we'll do from here 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3 and step. When you finish here, your handwork goes left side, right side. With that you have to tap left leg, right leg. When you finish this, take your left leg inside, 1, 2. Like we did this, same footwork we have to do, just we are changing the handwork. You finish left, right, right leg, left leg. Again, when you finish this, your again handwork comes this. You have to tap your leg, right, left, jump, jump and open. Again, we finished 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You take 2 taps and complete the circle. 1, 2. When you finish here, you have to take 3 jumps. First normal jump, that is 1, 2. You finish here and the third jump will go this. While you do the third jump, you have to take your hand, slide, take it inside and wave, wave. Okay, you just have to rest your right hand on your head. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy? So we finished our third part, okay, fourth part over here, like second part of the wrap we finished before here. We finished our second part of the wrap. From here, we started our main part, that is fifth part. That is roll, roll, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and circles. Sorry, circle, step, jump, jump, and in. You have to take it slow. In and wave, wave. When we finish here, you have to again do the signature step, which is already done in the album on the original song. We finish here, 1, 2, take your both hands up and take your left leg out. You have to hit it left side, 1, 2, your hand will go down, 1, 2. This we have to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, when you finish 7, and take your left leg inside, 8. After this, tap your right leg, left leg, and step. Again, I'll teach you. Tap your right leg with your right shoulder forward, other leg, again right. When you finish your third tap, you just have to slide inside and your left leg comes on your toe. Again, 5, 6, 7, go right, left, hold, slide. Again, we'll repeat the step with your left leg first, left, right, left, right. When you finish the second step, your left leg comes up. So your handwork goes, when you are doing the third tap, your left hand will go in, out. When you are doing the sixth tap, your handwork will go 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's quite easy. We'll revise it from here. 5, 6, 7, go, roll, roll, down, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, in, and wave, wave, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, and inside, right, left, 1, 2, left, right, 1, 2, and you just tap and walk behind. Here we finish our first kiss choreography. We'll revise it from the start. We'll do a quick revision. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, left, right, right, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down and hit. Right, left, jump, right, right, jump, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, hit, hit, slide, hit, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, turn and wave. Step, right, left, turn, hold, up and right, left, back to your place and hold. Here we finished our first part. Let's revise the second part from here, that is the partner work. So it is 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. When you finish 3, 4, you have to go to your left side, that is bounce, 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 hit, turn, point, 1, 2, 3, jump. Again we change our places, 1 and 2, roll. Okay, 1 second. You finish this, 1, 2, 3, jump. You take 2 steps, 1, 2, right, left and neck. When you finish this, our signature step will begin from here, that is this step. Let's revise it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, right, left, right, left. Again we change our place. You can go back side or you can go front. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we finish our step, this step, the wrap portion will begin from here. That is our first part of the wrap portion. You finished here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and step, jump, 1, 2, 3, hold, step, turn, then right, left hand inside, right hand, go up, down, right, left and in, step, up, down, down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump and step, step, in, turn, hit, left, step, then take a wave, 1, 2, partner work and look, inside, roll, roll, up and step, walk, walk, step and take a turn, 1, 2, jump, jump, open, in and left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and finish your step and you can walk behind. So we finished our choreography over here, and if you're very confident about these steps, you can shoot your own video and tag us on that. If you're posting it, we'll surely check out, and we are coming up with many more tutorials. We are waiting for your videos also. Chalo, see ya, take care.